Taking the plates off the PS5 Slim is a lot easier than it was on the original PS5. There's 4 compartments to each, so you can get to each area pretty easily. Let's say you want to replace the NVMe drive, or you want to add an NVMe drive. You want to go to the part of the PS5 on the opposite side of the PlayStation logo, and go ahead and kind of pull underneath the plastic cover just slightly, not too heavy, but put a little bit of pressure on it. Boom, it should just pop off like that pretty easily. You should hear it click off. You'll see there where there's the fan. You can kind of clean that up if you see dust within there. Then you'll see the NVMe slot right there. Go ahead and unscrew the plate, install your drive. Make sure to screw the plate back on, because that does keep things nice and clean inside of it. Helps prevent dust getting into there. So make sure to have that. And you can go ahead and pop the plate back on if you need to, or you can go below if you do have a disk drive that you want to add to it, or for whatever reason want to remove from it. You can do the same thing and pulling the plastic piece up slightly. It should pop out just like that, and you'll be able to see the drive right there. And so you can remove the disk drive or add disk drive as you so please with it. And if you flip to the opposite side of the PS5, it's the same exact thing. This way you can do a little more spring cleaning with it. If you want to get to the other fans, you can just pop each plate off individually. If you are adding new plates and custom plates to this, each one is individual to their own, so you can go ahead and pop them on and off as you sort of please. It makes this a lot easier. And when you pop them back on, you're gonna hear them sort of click a little bit, and you're gonna want to put a little pressure and kind of push things down to make sure that it's on there nice and like sturdy, and everything sort of clicks back on. And that's pretty much how the PS5 plates work on the new Slim version. A lot easier than previously before. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.